ever wondered what was in sour cream or thought, is there a better, less expensive option than that fancy creme fraiche you get at the fancy markets? The answer is yes. Very cost effective, so easy to make creme fraiche from scratch. Our ingredients: buttermilk and heavy whipping cream. That's it. If you don't have buttermilk, because that's kind of hard to find in some markets, you can substitute for yogurt. I'll have some in my notes down below of what the proportions are, but let's get started. The easiest piece of equipment to use for making your own homemade creme fraiche is one of these wonderful little mason jars. They are very convenient with the milliliter on the side. 150 milliliters equals 1 cup. Very easy. We're gonna have our heavy whipping cream. You can use the pasteurized kind, the non-pasteurized kind. Your kitchen, your rules. Do what you want. There we go. One of these containers equals 2 cups of product. So that's a good thing to know. You can double your recipe and get twice the yield. To that, we're going to add our buttermilk. Alas, it only comes in these giant containers, but boy, do I have a great recipe that you can use leftovers for. Give it a little stir to blend it in. Make sure you have a good fitting lid. This is great to use a mason jar for so many reasons. If you don't have a spoon, you can even give it a little shake. Then you place it on a nice warm room temperature area, like on top of your stove. And in 10 hours, give or take, or overnight, you will come up with this beautiful homemade creme fraiche. Put it in the refrigerator, let it come to temperature in there, and it'll also get firmer, soft, smooth, creamy. It tastes just slightly tangy from the buttermilk. So easy to use. Enjoy fresh creme fraiche.